Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, using templates and saving workbooks. Templates are pre-made workbooks such as invoices. Templates save time and look professional. To create a workbook from a template, click on the File tab, followed by New. Observe. Templates are divided into categories. Categories include invoices and forms. Opening a category folder will display all the templates available of that type. Once a template is selected, click the Download button to download and open the template. To edit a template, click into each field and use the keyboard to add the correct information. Watch how I click the cursor into different fields and add my own information to the template. Some Excel templates will perform calculations automatically. Observe. Note the total column has automatically been updated. To save a workbook, open the Save As dialog by clicking on the File tab and then Save As. Use the left pane to select the location on the computer. The right pane shows the contents of those locations. Watch how I change the save location to the Go Pebble folder inside Documents. Use the File Name text box to specify the name of the saved file. The Save As type drop-down box allows the file to be saved in different formats. This includes older versions of Excel, Excel templates, and even PDF read-only files. Workbooks can even be saved as web pages or macro-enabled workbooks. Excel Workbook is the default save type. Click the Save button to save the workbook. Any changes I make now can simply be updated by clicking the Save button. Observe. Can you remember the name and location of the workbook I saved earlier? The workbook was called Board Smart and was saved in the Go Pebble folder in Documents.